Hello everyone. Today we discuss on the numerical problem on the basis of frequency. Okay. This is the question on the frequency based. A single tone FM is given by the voltage equation. This is the equation of FM. Now we calculate the first modulating frequency, carrier frequency. Third one is the modulation index. And fourth one is the frequency deviation power of FM wave. Okay, this question, how to solve to this question on the general equation of applying the general equation of FM. So first of all, you retain how to solve this question. Okay, now we solve this problem. Solution: the given equation of FM wave is this. This is the given equation. This is the equation number first. General equation of FM wave is St is equal to AC cos omega ct plus kf xt dt time to 0 to t. This is the general equation of FM wave, but here we cannot compare to this and this equation. First of all, the general equation written in this term. So now we taken, this is the xt is the modulating signal. So now we let the modulating signal xt is equal to Vm cos omega m t. Then this xt is put on this integration. Then now we can retain xt is equal to AC cos omega ct plus kf, and now this is the integration of 0 to t. Then we can write directly Vm cos का इंटीग्रेशन हमारा होता है जैसे साइन ओमेगा m, साइन ओमेगा एम टी, और इसका हमारा इंटीग्रेट हमारा हो गया, दैट इज कॉल्ड ओमेगा इज द कांस्टेंट है, टी इज द टी के रेस्पेक्ट में हम लोग कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज द ओमेगा साइन ओमेगा एम टी बाई ओमेगा. पुट दिस एंड नाउ वी कैन राइट दिस इक्वेशन ओमेगा सी टी प्लस के एफ Vm by omega m sin omega mt. Okay, where kf is equal to proportional constant. Now we can write kf Vm is equal to del omega, and del omega by omega m is equal to mf. This is called modulation index. Now this value is put in this equation. This is the St is equal to AC cos omega ct प्लस के एफ वी एम को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, के एफ वी एम को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं डेल ओमेगा, और डेल ओमेगा बाई ओमेगा एम इक्वल टू लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एम एफ साइन ओमेगा एम टी. ओके, now we compare to this equation because this equation also in terms of this format. Then we compare, now we compare, comparing equation first and 2. We have okay. So first of all you calculate the modulating frequency. Okay, the modulating frequency is here. This is the modulating frequency omega m, and now on this place compared to this is the omega m. The modulating frequency compare first of all. ओमेगा एम इक्वल टू लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 1250 ओमेगा सी, हेयर ओमेगा सी इक्वल टू लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 6 into 10 to power 8 because this is the omega c. Okay, and AC is equal to 12 volt, and here this is the MF is equal to modulating frequency, modulation index. This is called 5. Okay, so we calculate, now we calculate modulating frequency from these data. This is the modulating frequency, FM. Okay, now omega m is equal to 1250. Okay, and omega m is equal to 2 pi fm is equal to 1250, and fm is equal to, here fm is equal to 1250 upon 2 pi. Okay, now we calculate this, and simply 198.86 हर्ज. FM मेरा निकल गया यहाँ पे. दिस इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी, मॉड्यूलेटिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. दिस इज FM. FM हमारा क्या आएगा 198.86 हर्ज. तो हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे दिस इज द FM इज इक्वल टू 198.86 हर्ज. Okay, now we calculate the carrier frequency. Okay, second हमारा carrier frequency. This is the Second, this is the carrier frequency. Carrier frequency FC. Okay. Here omega c is given. Omega c is equal to लिख सकते हैं 6 into 10 to power 8. Okay. Omega c is equal to 2 pi fc is equal to 6 into 10 to power 8. And now we can write fc is equal to 6 into 10 to power 8 upon 2 pi. Okay. 2 3 ja 6 means 3 into 10 to power 8 upon pi is equal to, we can write 45.9. we calculate this 95.45 into 10 to power 6 hertz. We can write fc is equal to 95.45 megahertz, because we know 10 to power 6 is equal to 1 megahertz. 1 megahertz is equal to, हम जानते हैं कि 1 megahertz is equal to 10 to power 6 hertz. Okay. Okay, now we calculate the third modulation index. This is the modulation index. Okay, modulation index MF. Here MF is given. MF is equal to, from comparing से हम लोग निकाले हैं MF is equal to 5. Okay, here MF is greater than 1. Okay, modulation index यहाँ पे हमारा क्या हो रहा है? modulation index हमारा हो रहा है यहाँ पे greater than 1. that means that the wide band frequency band, this is the wide band. Okay, if modulation index, is greater than 1, then it shows the wide band FM. Okay, we have to solve the third modulation index. Now we calculate the frequency deviation. Okay, so how to calculate the frequency deviation? Frequency deviation, this is called del f. As we know that MF is equal to beta is equal to del f FM. Okay, now del f is equal to MF into FM. समटाइम्स हमको मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को हम लोग बीटा से भी डिनोट करते हैं. ओके, और MF इज ए मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स. Now we put the value of from above. Here MF is equal to 5. Now we want 5 into MF is equal to previous निकाल चुके हैं modulating frequency 198.86. Now we calculate this value. Now this calculation से now show 94.3 Hertz. This is the value of del f, means frequency deviation. Okay, finally we calculate the power of FM wave. Calculate the power of FM wave. Okay, this is called AC square by 2R. Okay, now AC means already you calculate from the comparing, say AC is equal to 12 volt and R is the here R is equal to 1, it is called normalized value, and put AC square is equal to 12 का square upon 2 into 1 means 144 upon 2 means 72 watt. Okay, finally we calculate the power of FM wave. This question is solved